You can witness your thoughts. I know you can, because I know who and what you are. This isn't philosophical, and in fact, I want you to do it right now. Just sit and observe. Observe everything that comes to mind. Whether it's a thought or a body sensation. They're all just arising and passing through. So everything that arises and passes through is subject to time. It's an entity in time. But this witness, the space of witnessing, is not subject to time. It's been here, at least as far as you can confirm. It's been here since your birth and has followed you all the way through till now. This sense of witnessing has remained changeless throughout your life. We aren't taught this, but if you were, if you learned this from a young age, you'd be less pulled and swayed by the motions of reality. You'd suffer less. You'd feel less pressure. You'd feel less guilt. The separation between you and real and raw reality would be less. And therefore you would feel better. Feel more in tune with life. The analogies used all the time, or the metaphor rather, that this witness space is like the space of the sky. And no matter whether it's cloudy, or stormy, or clear, the sky remains changeless. The clouds and the thunderstorms in that metaphor are metaphors for thoughts and things and movements of reality. And in this metaphor, you're the sky, the space of the sky. And in reality, you're the space of the self, right here and now. You're the space that witnesses all change and movement. And you, as that space, remain changeless and still. Spacious and pure. Untouched and free. And this is immediately accessible to you right now if you just sense into this witnessing state of all that is, of all that arises and fades away. You are this witness that remains changeless. This is your place of peace. And although the witness state offers a glimpse into your true and ultimate essence, it's still not all the way the enlightened state. For even this witness, the subtle space of witnessing, is itself seen by an even more subtler essence that I call the Absolute. I wrote a book called The Absolute, Enlightenment and Ultimate Freedom if you're interested. It's free on Amazon Kindle, or you can buy the paperback. There's also a free download draft version on wildsatsang.org. I try to make everything available for free. Obviously, if you buy the paperback, you gotta pay for the paper, but I think it's like $14 on there. but it introduces you to your true and timeless essence. I want nothing from you but for you to regain the recognition of your timeless nature. And the world needs this from you now more than ever. The world is in a tumultuous state, and I don't know which direction it's going in. But if you can remain the unchanging, directionless witness, you'll bring peace to every situation. You'll bring a calm and spacious essence wherever you go, and therefore offer that into every space you visit. To walk in and through space, as space itself, is akin to folding a mirror upon itself. You become pure. You become peaceful. There's a subtle joy, sometimes termed bliss, that's ever present. And this is all I speak about. And if you're curious, Wild Satsang, Non-Duality Club, it's just a group of folks talking about just this. And I'll continue to guide anybody that's interested into this space. All my love.